I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this miniature Easter sale haul. So first off, from M&S is this fried egg choco corn. So it's popcorn and some chocolate. 205 grams. So this was 50% off. So it was originally £5 down to £2.50. This was originally £6 down to £3, so extremely chocolatey. Hot cross bun chocolate. So at first I thought it was a giant hot cross bun, but realised it's just the crust bit. But it sounds very tasty. Jelly pieces, orange and raisins. This was the day after Easter I got this one, and then I had a look again today, and then I realised, depending when you watch this video. So today is Friday. Don't know when this video will be up, but saw there is none more of these, but there was a lot of Peppa Pig stuff which I've left. Next up is from Co-op. Can't remember how much this was originally, down to 65. I can't remember how much this was originally, but down to 65p. I did buy 2 bars, but I've no clue where the second bar went. And then lastly, this Easter egg this Easter egg nearly £3. So 2 little bits, 2 little Malteser teasers, and the egg thing. I've opened up the popcorn chocolate. So I've opened up the popcorn chocolate from M&S to see what this tastes like. Oh, broke this piece off. Oh, very tasty white chocolate. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below your experience of Easter sale, chocolate sales, or Easter food sales / merch. Thank you for watching.